Okay, gonna do another backyard cook-up. I'm trying something new. I got this from Fireside Outdoor. I'm gonna tag them in the comments below, so check it out. I'm going to cook a standing rib roast in my cast iron pot tonight. This is off to a good start. So again, this is my standing rib roast, and I might be calling it the wrong thing. It didn't have the bones in it, but it is a rib roast. Basically, that's like 5 ribeyes that hasn't been cut up yet, and it's not a cheap piece of meat, but it is well worth it. But because of that, some people are intimidated by it. You definitely don't want to do it like a pot roast, because then you're going to ruin it. Basically, I'm going to do it like prime rib, which is what it is. I'm going to sear off all the sides, then I'm going to coat it with some herbs. So far, all we've done to it is this: salt and pepper on the outside. Pat it dry, salt and pepper on the outside. Now I'm searing it in some olive oil in my pot. After I get that done, I'm going to put it back in there, fat side up. We're going to coat it with the herbs, which in this case, I cheat a little bit. We got 3 tablespoons of pesto, some kosher salt, some fresh garlic chopped up, and some pepper. That's it. I'm going to coat the top of it, and then that's going to make a crust on it. All right, stand by. Already put a flip on it, and I want a little bit more sear than I got, but you see what I'm browning it a little bit on all 6 sides of this thing before I really start the roasting process. All right, almost done. Smells delicious. And I moved all the coals to the center because it seemed to be the coolest in the very center of the roast, naturally. I was cooking around the edge, so we'll see how it turns out. So here is the finished product. I'm gonna slice it up in a minute and let you see. Cooked for about 1.5 hours, almost 2 hours on the coals in my cast iron Dutch oven. Yeah.
By yourself.